Okay, well, I am going to start showing you how I would set up idle or how you'd use idle for writing your first programs. So, assuming you have already installed Python, you have idle. So just go to your programs, search, and type idle, right? And you will see this idle Python app. Open it up. And now you have what we're going to call the shell window. All right, because this window says idle shell 3.10.4. This, the three arrows, is my prompt. So if I type, 3 plus 6 and hit enter, it will evaluate that, which comes up with 9. And after it's done, leads me to the prompt again. I can say more of a programming type statement, say print hello world. And we'll get into the syntax of it. I'll show you. But that's my statement. I'm in the Python shell. So I'm going to go here. It prints that and it goes back to my prompt. But we cannot really create programs this way. We can run statements this way, but you don't really want to write a program this way. So to write a program, this is what we do. Go to File, and we go to New File. And now we have what we're going to call our programming window or our program window. I am going to slide this over to the right. So really my screen is divided into two halves. It's divided into the shell window on the left and the program window on the right. So now I am going to type a program. I'm going to start my very simple hello world program, which in Python is just one line. All right. So this one line is actually a program. Very small program, still a program. But before I can run it, I have to save it as a Python file. So I have to go File and Save As. And I'll just call this Test HW, Test Hello World. And I save that, and it is right here. And notice you'll see the file name up here. Now I can run this file. Depending on what you know about languages, this is not Python is what they call an interpreted language, so you do not have to compile it separately and then run it. I just say run. I'm going to say run and run module. And now over in my shell screen, I see the result of running my program, which is hello world. Now, this hello world was because I ran this statement as the prompt. This hello world I got from running my program testhw.py. All right, just to double prove it again, let's go ahead and add another line to my program. Right, and I need to save this again before I run it. You'll know that you haven't saved it because right up here, you'll see the asterisk by the file name. All right, that means that your changes have not been saved. Now all I have to do is save those and run it. And now, again, since after my program is changed, testhw.py produces these 2 lines. Very simply, that is how I would set up idle to use to write programs. You're going to use idle. All right, very simple. 2 windows. Left window is the shell window. Right window is the program window. Write your programs in the right window. Save them, Python file, run them. You see the results. Change them again, save, run, see the results. And that is really the process of writing programs. So, very simple. Just try and do just what I did. And once you get that working, you should be off and going. So thank you. I will see you later.